Hello, what is your name?
My name is Teresa Reyes,
How old are you?
48 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No,
Do you have kids?
no,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
6 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No,
So how long you been working with your current and previous employer?
1 year and 9 months.
Okay, what's your employer living in?
Happy Valley,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
900.
How many family member there?
1,
How old?
95 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Okay, I wake up at 6 a.m. and then cleaning the house, get newspaper for grandma, and then prepare her breakfast. And then after that, I massage. I massage her for about 1 hour. And then I prepare her lunch. And then sometimes we go to the doctor for her checkup and then buy something in a grocery or market. And then after that, prepare her bathtub for shower. And then prepare dinner. And then we massage again. And then 9:30 to 10 p.m. Go to sleep.
Okay, thank you so much.